Looking for an international research camp that goes beyond the ordinary? KMUTT International STEM Research Experience, ISRE Camp, an immersive program for high school students passionate about robotics and automation research. Work closely with expert professors and researchers, from defining research questions to designing and developing real solutions. Get hands-on experience building a real prototype, conduct experiments, collect data, and perform systematic analysis. Transform your work into an academic manuscript ready for submission to international publications. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your full process from design and experimentation to innovative conclusions. Perfect for students aiming to pursue top university in Thailand and abroad. Start your research journey today at ISRE Robotics, FIBO KMUTT.